Welcome to Engine Explorer. You're looking at something so unreal, even Bruce Wayne might raise an eyebrow. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a moving Batcave. The 2026 Batman RV is a $5 million hyper-luxury machine that looks like it rolled straight out of Gotham. And today we're diving deep into every jaw-dropping inch of it. First off, the design. Let's talk about that body, jet black, with deep gloss metallic paint that reflects light like a stealth fighter. The lines are razor sharp, the curves sleek and muscular. From the 60 wheels to the aggressive air channels, everything screams dominance. It's part luxury RV, part sci-fi tank. The signature glowing yellow bat symbols on both sides, they're not just for show, they actually glow brighter at night, giving off an ominous Gotham vibe. Now this thing isn't small, it's massive. Over 80 feet in total length with a multi-section articulated frame, fully reinforced. Think luxury semi-truck, but supercharged with billionaire flair. This rig isn't towing, it's the show. Aerodynamic fins, turbine-inspired wheel arches, and a fully digital rear lighting strip make the back look like a spacecraft. It's intimidating but stunning. Pop the side hatch and welcome to another world. Inside, it's straight up Wayne Manor on wheels. Carbon fiber panels line the cockpit. The dashboard is fully digital with AI-integrated controls, biometric ignition, and even voice-commanded security protocols. Seats, jet black Alcantara with yellow stitching, fully reclinable, heated, cooled, and yes, massage-enabled. Move to the living space and things just get crazier. A modular lounge with Gotham skyline, ambient lighting, an L-shaped leather sofa that folds into a bed, a 90-inch 8K OLED screen that retracts from the ceiling, surround sound from Bose's custom RV line, the windows, smart glass that tints, glows with the bat symbol, and displays HUD-style info at the press of a button. Now get this, there's a hidden room. Slide open a panel and boom, private command center. Triple monitors, encrypted satellite link, drone surveillance feed, and a fingerprint scanner to activate stealth mode. Basically, if Batman had to go mobile, this would be it. The kitchen? State-of-the-art induction cooktop, smart fridge, espresso station, and even a wine chiller, all seamlessly built into matte black cabinetry with underlit bat logos. And yes, there's a full bathroom. Rainfall shower with color-adjusting LED lights, Batwing mirror, and heated floors. Plus a toilet that literally greets you. Not kidding. Powering this beast is a dual-fuel hybrid engine with over 1,200 horsepower and a custom-built torque converter. It's fast, like shockingly fast for something this size. 0 to 60 in under 10 seconds. Range? Over 800 miles. Suspension? Adaptive AI for all terrains, including stealth mode that lowers the entire rig to reduce visibility and noise. And of course, it comes with a deployable mini Batcycle. Stored in the rear bay, all electric. Top speed 150 mph, because why not? So is it practical? No. Is it necessary? Also no. But does it make a statement? Absolutely. This $5 million Batman RV isn't just transportation, it's identity, it's luxury, it's obsession, and honestly, it might be cooler than the Batmobile. That's it for this episode of Engine Explorer. Hit like if you think Bruce Wayne would trade his ride for this, and subscribe for more mind-blowing machines. Catch you on the next road to the impossible.